Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well and enjoyed my previous video on laptop. In that video we discussed some feature of laptop. In this video I will guide you how you will check the laptop if you are interested in a second-hand laptop. This video is for you if you are planning to purchase a second-hand laptop. When you are shopping for a second-hand device, here are some ways to check the keys component before you buy. First one is display. Display is a common area of concern. Sometimes the original screen is replaced with a low quality local one. Checking the display. Seller often put up a special wallpaper to make the display look good and hide any damaged pixels. Here how to check it properly. Maximize brightness. Turn the laptop brightness all the way up. Open a blank document. Open a blank notepad file and stretch it to cover the entire screen. This will make the whole screen white. Inspect for flaws. If there are any damaged pixels or areas where the screen has been pressed, you will see black marks or spots. Know your screen type. Search for the laptop specification online to see what kind of display it originally came with, LCD or LED. LCD screens typically have a noticeable loss of clarity when viewed from the side. LED screens offer a much better display quality. You can check the keyboard also by testing the keyboard. Faulty keyboard is another major issue. Here's how to check if all the keys are working. You can use testing the keyboard application. Search for a keyboard tester on the laptop you are considering to purchase. Search Google for keyboard tester. Download and run. Download and install a keyboard testing software. It is usually a small file. Test each key. Open the software and press each key one by one. The software will indicate which keys are working. A working key will turn green on the screen. Testing keyboard link is available in the description. You can download from link and Google. It is a free software. In the next video, I will show you how you can check the processor, hard disk, and battery health. If you find this video helpful, then like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.